Any questions with regard to that? Any general questions? Individual ones we can grab a break. Have we grab a break? Yeah, please.
Do we have to turn the exam back in tomorrow?
Did I put a due date on that? I didn't, did I? No, there was no due date on that coupon. Here's my, I didn't put a due date on it in case you guys need more time, because you have a project due on Wednesday. You also have a quiz or two if you want to do quizzes. What I've noticed is most students return them the day they're due, or the day after I turn them back, sorry, so the next class day. Don't let it get lost in your bag. Do it as soon as you can and get it turned back in. Does that make sense? I don't like putting a due date on it because then if stuff just piles up, it's like I got one more thing to do by Wednesday. But don't let it sit, because what I've noticed is that a big chunk of them will come in on Wednesday, and then they'll start trickling in, and then some students will never, ever, ever do it. And those 5 points can actually make the difference between a B and an A or a C and a B at the end of the course. So make sure you do it. Try to do it while it's fresh in your mind. That makes sense? It's not a very black or white answer, but I try to keep it as gray as possible. That's what life is.
Good.
Okay? Good? Yes, maybe. Ish, getting there. Let's go through, because we had the very last thing we were doing on Wednesday was this quiz. My bike quiz. How fast am I going? When I passed the 200-foot mark, yes, how fast was I going when I passed it? I want to make sure we all have happy answers on this. I did a TI thing in class last time with you guys. I think I pissed a lot of people off.
Yeah.
Sorry, didn't mean to do that. Although we did, I was sitting with Alicia this morning and we found out you might want to do it for precision-wise. We'll come back to that too. Let's go through and make sure, well, if you're totally happy with your answers, hang on to it, that's fine. I want to make sure that we all have the same answer. Some of you guys turned it in, that's totally fine. I want to make sure if you didn't turn it in, I don't think everybody turned it in yet. If you still have it, take it out. Take your quiz out. I want to go through the quiz with you to make sure that we happily have the same answers as each other. Because I want everybody to get 10s on this, is what I'm getting at. I want everybody to get 10s on this. So I'm just going to grab this one. All right, we got the model. I know we had no problem with that. Writing the model down in the top here. So we got 1.68x squared plus 2.18x minus 0.37. That was our model. I hope. Yes. Monday. Week 6 Monday! Yeah! Yes?
Cinco de Mayo.
So, bueno. ¿Dónde está mi tequila? Please.
Are those the ones that you already took?
Oh, it is, yes. Do you want me back?
That's why I had a place there when you said that.
Is this Kendra? This is Kendra. I'm sorry. Kendra, you guys don't have to have it back. I'm not saying they're wrong. I'm just trying to say I want to make... Okay, I'll give them back then. Oh, crud. I think they're sitting on my desk.
Oh, yeah, where you have to go like this to go down.
You want Ryan's back? Okay. Sorry, I didn't upset you, buddy. They both want theirs back. You happy? Okay, happy. All right, so anyway, we got our model. Time in seconds, distance in feet, x and y. What was the average time we agreed I passed?
10.3 seconds.
10.3 seconds. Now, what's interesting about 10.3, if you plug 10.3 into that model, you don't get 200 feet, do you? You get close to 200 feet. Watch this. Watch this. I still have the model in your TIs. I'm guessing you guys do too. If you don't worry about it. I still have the data, I hope. Let's see here in a moment. All right. This bad boy focused. It's 243 stuff. Oh, garbage. I might need to borrow it from you guys. Anybody still have the data in their TI? May I borrow them?